Let's begin our journey with hydrogen, the very first element on the periodic table. With the symbol H and atomic number 1, hydrogen is the simplest and most abundant element in the universe. It consists of just one proton and one electron, making it unique among all elements. Its position at the top left of the periodic table highlights its fundamental nature. Hydrogen is the building block for stars, water, and even life itself. As we explore further, you'll see why hydrogen is so important in chemistry and beyond. Hydrogen is often called a rogue element because it doesn't fit neatly into any one group on the periodic table. While it sits above group 1, the alkali metals, its properties are quite different. Hydrogen can act like an alkali metal by losing an electron, but it can also gain an electron like the halogens. This dual behavior makes hydrogen unique and sometimes unpredictable, earning it the nickname rogue. Its versatility is one reason why hydrogen plays so many roles in chemistry. Isotopes are atoms of the same element with different numbers of neutrons. Hydrogen has three main isotopes: protium, deuterium, and tritium. Protium, the most common, has no neutrons. Deuterium has one neutron and tritium has two. These isotopes have nearly identical chemical properties but differ in mass and some physical properties. Understanding these isotopes is crucial for grasping hydrogen's role in science and industry. Let's look closer at the three isotopes of hydrogen. Protium is the most abundant, making up over 99% of hydrogen found in nature. It's stable and non-radioactive. Deuterium, also stable, is used in scientific research and nuclear reactors. Tritium, however, is radioactive and rare, used mainly in specialized applications like luminous paints and nuclear fusion. Each isotope has its own unique set of properties, making hydrogen a truly versatile element. Hydrogen is everywhere. It's the most abundant element in the universe, making up about 75% of all normal matter. On Earth, hydrogen is rarely found as a free element. Instead, it's usually bonded with other elements like in water H2O or organic compounds. In stars, hydrogen fuels nuclear fusion, powering the sun and other stars. Its widespread presence makes hydrogen essential to life and the universe. Industrially, hydrogen is produced on a massive scale. The main method is steam reforming, where natural gas reacts with steam to produce hydrogen and carbon dioxide. Another method is electrolysis, splitting water into hydrogen and oxygen using electricity. These processes supply hydrogen for use in refineries, fertilizer production, and more. Industrial hydrogen is a key player in many modern technologies. In the laboratory, hydrogen is often prepared by reacting a metal like zinc with dilute acid. For example, zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid to produce hydrogen gas and zinc chloride. The gas is collected over water and used for experiments. This method is simple and effective, making it a staple in chemistry labs worldwide. Hydrogen reacts with oxygen, the result is water. The reaction is explosive and releases a lot of energy. 2H2 plus O2 right arrow 2H2O. This reaction is not only important in chemistry but also in fuel cells, where it's used to generate clean energy. The simplicity and power of this reaction make hydrogen a promising energy source. Hydrogen also reacts with chlorine to form hydrogen chloride. H2 plus Cl2 right arrow 2HCl. This reaction produces a colorless, pungent gas that dissolves in water to make hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is widely used in industry and laboratories. The reaction is another example of hydrogen's reactivity and usefulness. Hydrogenation is a chemical reaction where hydrogen is added to other compounds, usually unsaturated fats or oils. This process is widely used in the food industry to convert liquid oils into solid fats, like making margarine from vegetable oil. Hydrogenation changes the texture and shelf life of foods, and it's also important in the production of chemicals and fuels. Haber process is a major industrial method for making ammonia. In this process, hydrogen reacts with nitrogen under high pressure and temperature using an iron catalyst. The ammonia produced is essential for fertilizers which support global agriculture. Hydrogen's role in the Haber process is vital for feeding the world's population. Fuel cells use hydrogen to generate electricity. In a fuel cell, hydrogen reacts with oxygen to produce water and energy with no harmful emissions. This technology powers vehicles, buildings, and even spacecraft. Hydrogen fuel cells are clean, efficient, and a promising alternative to fossil fuels. Hydrogen economy is a vision for a future where hydrogen is the main energy carrier. In this system, hydrogen would replace fossil fuels for transportation, electricity, and heating. It promises cleaner air, reduced greenhouse gases, and sustainable energy. The hydrogen economy is still developing, but it's a key part of the transition to renewable energy. Hydrides are compounds formed when hydrogen combines with other elements. They can be ionic, covalent, or metallic depending on the bonding. Hydrides are used in batteries, chemical synthesis, and as reducing agents. Their diverse properties make hydrides important in both industry and research. Hydrides can be classified into three types: ionic, covalent, and metallic. Ionic hydrides form with metals and have strong ionic bonds. Covalent hydrides, like methane, involve sharing electrons. Metallic hydrides are found in transition metals and have unique electrical properties. Each type has its own uses and characteristics. Heavy water, or DHO, is water where the hydrogen atoms are replaced with deuterium. It looks and tastes like regular water but is heavier due to the extra neutron in deuterium. Heavy water is used in nuclear reactors as a moderator to slow down neutrons, making it crucial for certain types of nuclear power. Heavy water has specialized uses, mainly in nuclear reactors. It acts as a neutron moderator, allowing reactors to use natural uranium as fuel. Heavy water is also used in scientific research, especially in studies involving isotopes. Its unique properties make it valuable in both energy and science. Hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, is a pale blue liquid used as a disinfectant and bleaching agent. It's made by combining hydrogen and oxygen in a specific ratio. Hydrogen peroxide is found in households, hospitals, and industries for cleaning, sterilizing, and even as a propellant in rocketry. Hydrogen peroxide is incredibly versatile. It's used to disinfect wounds, bleach hair and textiles, and treat water. In industry, it's a key ingredient for making chemicals and cleaning equipment. Its strong oxidizing properties make hydrogen peroxide useful in many fields, from healthcare to manufacturing. Hydrogen is considered a future source of clean energy because it produces only water when burned or used in fuel cells. Unlike fossil fuels, hydrogen doesn't emit greenhouse gases or pollutants. As technology advances, hydrogen could power cars, homes, and industries, helping to combat climate change and pollution. Hydrogen's atomic structure is simple yet fascinating. With just one proton and one electron, it's the lightest and simplest atom. This simplicity allows hydrogen to form bonds easily, making it a key player in countless chemical reactions. Its structure also explains why hydrogen is so reactive and versatile. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. It's the primary fuel for stars, including our sun. Through nuclear fusion, hydrogen atoms combine to form helium, releasing vast amounts of energy. This process powers the stars and creates the elements that make up planets and life. On Earth, hydrogen is most commonly found in water. Each water molecule contains two hydrogen atoms bonded to one oxygen atom. This simple combination is essential for life, making up about 70% of the human body and covering most of our planet's surface. Hydrogen is a key component of organic compounds which make up living things. It's found in carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and DNA. Hydrogen's ability to form bonds with carbon and other elements is the foundation of organic chemistry and life itself. Hydrogen is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas at room temperature. It's the lightest of all gases and highly flammable. These properties make hydrogen useful in balloons, airships, and as a fuel, but also require careful handling due to its flammability. Chemically, hydrogen is very reactive. It forms compounds with most elements and can act as both a reducing and oxidizing agent. This reactivity is why hydrogen is involved in so many industrial and laboratory processes. Hydrogen bonding is a special type of attraction between molecules, especially in water. This bond is weaker than a covalent bond but stronger than most other intermolecular forces. Hydrogen bonding is responsible for water's unique properties, like its high boiling point and surface tension. Hydrogen is often used as a reducing agent in chemical reactions. It donates electrons to other substances, helping to extract metals from their ores or produce chemicals. This property is widely used in industry, especially in the production of metals and chemicals. Hydrogen is used as rocket fuel in space exploration. Its high energy content and light weight make it ideal for propelling rockets beyond Earth's atmosphere. Hydrogen-powered rockets have carried astronauts to the moon and satellites into orbit. Hydrogen is part of many everyday products, from fuels to food processing. It's used to make ammonia for fertilizers, hydrogenate oils, and even in welding. Its versatility means hydrogen touches our lives in more ways than we realize. Because hydrogen is highly flammable, safety is a top priority when handling it. Proper storage, leak detection, and ventilation are essential in labs and industry. Advances in technology are making hydrogen safer to use in energy and transportation. Hydrogen plays a role in the environment by cycling through water, plants, and animals. It's part of the water cycle and is essential for photosynthesis and respiration. Hydrogen's movement through nature supports life on Earth. Storing hydrogen efficiently is a challenge. It can be stored as a gas, liquid, or in chemical compounds like hydrides. Each method has advantages and challenges, and research is ongoing to find the safest and most efficient ways to store hydrogen for energy use. Transporting hydrogen requires special pipelines, tanks, or carriers. Because it's so light and flammable, safety and efficiency are top concerns. Advances in technology are making hydrogen transport more practical for large-scale energy use. Hydrogen-powered vehicles are becoming more common. These cars use fuel cells to convert hydrogen into electricity, emitting only water vapor. They offer a clean alternative to gasoline and are part of the push for greener transportation. Hydrogen can be produced using renewable energy sources like solar and wind. This makes it a key part of the transition to clean, sustainable energy systems. Green hydrogen made from renewables is gaining attention as a solution to energy storage and grid stability. The future of hydrogen is bright. As technology improves, hydrogen could power everything from cars to homes to factories. Its clean, abundant nature makes it a promising candidate for a sustainable energy future. Hydrogen is used in medicine, especially in imaging and research. Deuterium, a hydrogen isotope, is used in tracing studies to understand biological processes. Hydrogen's unique properties make it valuable in medical science. Hydrogen is essential in many industries. It's used to refine petroleum, produce chemicals, and manufacture electronics. Its reactivity and abundance make hydrogen a backbone of modern industry. Hydrogen energy can help reduce pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. By replacing fossil fuels, hydrogen can clean up transportation, industry, and power generation. Its environmental benefits are a major reason for the push toward a hydrogen economy. Despite its promise, hydrogen faces challenges. Production can be energy-intensive, and storage and transport require advanced technology. Safety concerns and costs must be addressed before hydrogen can become a mainstream energy source. Scientists are working hard to make hydrogen energy more practical. Research focuses on new production methods, better storage, and safer technologies. Innovations in hydrogen science could transform the way we power our world. Learning about hydrogen is essential for students and scientists alike. Its role in chemistry, energy, and industry makes hydrogen a key topic in science education. Understanding hydrogen opens doors to careers in research, engineering, and environmental science. Hydrogen has the potential to change the world. From clean energy to advanced technology, its impact is global. Countries are investing in hydrogen research and infrastructure, aiming for a cleaner, more sustainable future. To sum up, hydrogen is a remarkable element with a wide range of uses and a promising future. From powering stars to fueling cars, hydrogen's versatility and clean energy potential make it a key player in science and technology. As research continues, hydrogen could help shape a cleaner, brighter world for generations to come.